Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Halfway Through the Week. It is Wednesday, October 16th of 2019, and here are our morning announcements for today. Our Art to Remember forms are due today, so students, if you have artwork that you wanted to turn into maybe a coffee mug or an apron or a t-shirt, those forms are due back to the office today. Mrs. Cascio is going to be collecting them at the end of the week and get that all processed so that those things can be sent off. So if you have any Art to Remember forms, turn them in today. For birthday lists, there is no birthdays to announce for today. We do have one coming up very soon, but none for today. And for our lunch choices, we have chicken sandwich, beef and cheese nachos, or fun on the run. And today our pause expectations are brought to you by our kindergarten students in Mrs. Hirsch's and Mrs. Green's class. All right, boys and girls, we have some students here from Mrs. Hirsch and Mrs. Green's kindergarten classes to help out with our pause today.
Help someone pick up their pencils when they drop it.
Raise your hand when you're going to talk. Awesome.
Leave somebody at what the other person said.
At recess?
Yeah.
Play with somebody at recess. Good job.
Let someone line up.
Let somebody else line up by you. Those are great examples. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much for that advice for our pause expectations. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all of us.
Thank you very much. And boys and girls and staff, have a wonderful day today. So hopefully everybody has a great Wednesday. Hopefully the weather is getting cooler outside again. So let's make sure that we come to school dressed appropriate. So let's make sure we have some sweatshirts or coats to be wearing, especially if you walk to school. Everyone have a great day.